The Old Bethlehem Walking Tour is a perfect way to explore the incredible history of Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. The remarkable beginnings of this charming 18th century town come to life in a relaxed hour-long tour. Want to explore on your own? Purchase the virtual Heritage Trail for a multimedia on-the-go tour, available anytime from your phone or smart device. You can even upgrade your visit with customized experiences personalized for your group. Bethlehem is headed toward becoming a World Heritage Site, and you'll discover why when you take a tour. Need a memory? Buy a companion book at the Visitor Center before you start the tour to follow along. Check out historicbethlehem.org/visit to purchase your tour today. Want to experience the history even further? Become a member for great deals and to get access to special activities and events at historicbethlehem.org.